Here we are at the Dominican Republic, Casa de Campo in La Romana. Very, very large property. Everybody gets their own golf cart. Let's take a look at the room. We have a second floor room with a balcony. As you see at the top of the stairs, there's 2 doors. There is an option if you need 2 rooms to have connecting rooms. Let's take a look at room 123. Coming right in with a mini bar that is extra, but lots of things in there should you so choose, and there is a QR code to give you the menu. Thermostat over here on the wall. Beautiful room coming in. You see a king bed, cathedral ceilings with a fan, flat screen TV, lots of drawer space. Desk with a workspace if you need it, but I hope not if you're on vacation. Sitting area. Let's take a look right out here for the balcony room. Right out here, sitting area on the balcony overlooking the golf course. And let's take a look at the really large, expansive bathroom hidden behind some bifold doors. To the right, very, very large closet with a safe, some drawers, bathrobe, slippers. There is a laundry service that is also extra. There is an emergency light should you need it. Ironing board. There are double sinks, towels, great amenities, soaps, lotions. Coming in here, there is a full bathtub and a stand-up shower. It is not a rain shower. Cool window though, right in your shower with a gorgeous view and a separate toilet area. This is an elite suite room. I hope you have the opportunity to enjoy your stay at Casa de Campo.